Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful paper quilling card. So I have created here shaker jar which is filled with lovely flowers, and this is looking absolutely gorgeous. And can you see this color combination of quilling flowers? It's looking very lovely. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. First, here I have given you this template in description box. You can just download it and print it, and then you have to trace it on 300 GSM white cardstock. So I have already traced and cut it on the border. Now inside this I have created one frame by leaving 1 centimeter gap from all the sides, and now we just need to cut this frame using paper cutter to make our shaker window. So the window is ready. Now here I have prepared one more piece using pattern paper of the same size of jar, and on the back side of this I have added double-sided red tacky tape. So I am just removing the liners of all the tapes. And then I am going to paste one piece of acetate sheet on top of this to make the shaker. Burnish it very well using bone folder from all the sides, and then on back side of this white jar I have added double-sided foam tape, and first I am sticking one pattern paper in the base of the jar, which is also made using the same template which I have shown earlier. So I am just sticking this pattern paper jar shape on back side of this white window. Just cutting little bit of paper which is coming out. And this is stuck very well. Now I am going to fill this with some green color wire in the center. So just I am taking here wire pollens, chopping the top and bottom ends of the pollen, and we only need the wires. If you have floral wires, you can also directly use those. So I'm taking some bunch of wires here and I'm going to stick it exactly in the center. Since our jar is as a flower pot and the flowers are coming from the jar, so the stems should look inside the jar. That's why I'm adding these wires. And to stick these wires, I'm using B6000 glue. Like this, allow it to dry. So it's dried, and now it's time to fill our shaker window with some shaker elements. So here I am adding glitter dust. This is white dust, and also adding golden color flower pearls, and then I am adding white color small flower pearls, and then remove the liner of double-sided foam tape and stick your pattern paper window on top of this. Burnish it very well from all the sides. And the super cute jar shaker is ready. It's looking very cute and it's working fine. Now on the neck of the jar I am just wrapping jute rope just to give it little realistic look. So just wrapping it twice, then cutting excess rope and sticking the end of the rope on back side. Then using the remaining rope I am just making one bow, and I am going to stick this bow in one corner of the jar using B6000 glue again. Like this, allow it to dry. Then here I am taking this beautiful texture cardstock which measures 9 by 19 centimeters, and using beautiful embossing pad I have created this texture on white cardstock. You can use any side for your project, but I am using this side. And to color from the edge I am using this blending brush by Dressmanecraft and some distress oxide inks in light green and yellow colors. I am just coloring the edge and distressing it. If you don't have oxide inks, you can also use watercolors to give this effect. I'm not coloring the cardstock completely, just doing little distress look on my cardstock. So this is done, and now I'm adding some splashes of same oxide inks. I have just added little ink on my surface, mixed little water, and then I'm adding splashes of water using brush here and there like this. Now I'm taking this white color cardstock which measures 20 by 20 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, and taking this yellow color paper which measures 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters, and I'm going to stick this on the base. Burnish it very well. There should not be any air bubble. And then I am adding this distressed embossed cardstock on top of this. Like this, and then it's time to adhere our shaker jar, but I wanted to give little dimension to my jar, and for that I am using some pieces of mount board to stick on back side of the jar. You can also use double-sided foam tape to give dimension, but I am using my mount board pieces. Instead of mount board you can also use cardboard, and I wanted a double layer of this, so I am adding one more piece of mount board with this. Then just add little glue and stick your jar exactly in the bottom center. Allow it to dry completely. Then it's time to make our quilling flowers. So for the first flower I'm taking half strip of light purple and I'm making semicircle. Similarly I have prepared one more semicircle. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of dark purple and I am making leaf shape. Now I am joining all 3 petals together to make the complete petal. Wrapping this whole petal using dark purple strip. Cutting the excess strip and secure the end using glue. In the same way I have prepared 4 more petals, so in total we need 5 petals to make one flower. So I am joining all 5 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. For all quilling patterns I am using 3 mm strips only and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Like this, so we need total 3 these kind of flowers. Now to start with next flower I am taking 1/3 strip of dark peach color and I am making one leaf shape. I will join total 5 petals together and add half cut pearl in the center. So we need total 3 these type of flowers. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one tight teardrop shape. I will join total 4 petals together and then I will add half cut pearl in the center. So we need total 4 these type of yellow color flowers. Now to start with leaf I am taking light green color strip. First you have to make 3 loops in increasing order and then I am making 2 loops on left and right sides in decreasing order. Wrap this whole petal using remaining strip. Cut the excess strip and secure the end using glue and your leaf is ready. Similarly I have prepared 10 to 12 leaves. Now here I am taking small piece of dark green color strip, just cutting the bottom in triangle and curling it. So I am adding these fillers between the flowers. So this is done. Now taking back my card and now first I am adding some more green color wires which are coming out from the jar. So it will look like the whole bunch is coming from the jar. Okay, so on all the sides I am just adding some piece of green wires again. And then I will start adding all the flowers and leaves one by one. Then I'm just taking little glue on my palm and adding these curly fillers here and there. Like this. Then randomly I'm adding some yellow color sequences here and there just to add little shine to our work. Similarly, I have added some more sequences between the flowers. Can you see the shine? It's looking gorgeous. And now I am adding the sentiment at the end. Think happy, be happy. This is a stamped sentiment. And the beautiful jar shaker card is ready with the lovely cooling flowers. You can write any personal message inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.